Hello guys, how are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing all fine. And in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to mock up your designs with this new amazing Canva application. And this is actually free. So there is a new Canva application that Canva actually introduced newly, and it's just like the other mockups. We have seen the first mockup, and then there is another mockup. So if you click on the plus button, and then you go to your customize size. So let me just make it 4,000 by 4,000 because this one works with, you have to create a background, a canvas, I mean to say. So I'm going to create a new design, and after it is done loading, let's just give it some time to load. So after it's done loading, I have to click on the plus button, and then slide down, and you will see place called this mockup. This is the mockup. It's just like the normal mockup. It's just like the normal mockup in which you will click. Okay, let me just get us through the process. So I'm just going to cancel this now. So it's just like the normal mockup. Let me just go back to the home. So I'm going to click the home button, and then I'll go back to home. So let me just cancel. You know the normal mockup. You just click this dot, the down button here. You will get to see the normal mockup. But most of these mockup are paid. If you're not a Canva pro user, you can't use them for free. And then some of them are free, but the free ones are not like the paid one. The paid one of course should have more value, as have like this is a paid mockup, this is a paid mockup, this is a paid mockup, and most of the mockups here is paid. Like you can see product design mockups that Canva actually added newly, and most of them here is paid, and you can actually access them for free. But some of them are free too. You can actually see a beautiful free ones, and then you can actually use the free ones for free. And the one thing with these free mockups here that is that you can actually change the color of the t-shirt. Like this t-shirt mockup, you can actually change the color of the t-shirt, and then that is it. And then without further ado, I'm going to just go back. I want to show you also, show us this so that we see how this one works. So without further ado, I'm just going to go back and then continue. So I have to go back home. Let me just go back home. So let me go back home. I'm going to click on the home, click on my plus button, and then customize size, then 4,000 by 4,000. I like using 4,000 by 4,000 for my canvas. So you can use 3,000 by 3,000 depending on what you want, but I think 4,000 by 4,000 makes it appear more good and awesome. So I'm going to go. If you haven't used the mockups app before, this is the mockups app I'm talking about. If you haven't used it before, it is going to be just neutral. There's nothing that will appear here. So you just see only apps here, but there's no need to worry. All you have to do is just to click on the apps. I'm just going to walk us through it, and then you see how it works. So I'm going to click on the apps. So once you have done clicking on the apps, then you have to click on the search button and just type mockups. Once you type mockup, you just click on search, and then let it do the magic. So it will appear here. As you can see, this is how it is. It's just like the normal Canva paid mockup, but this one is actually free. It have the same logo like with it. So all you have to do is to click on it, and once you click on it, you will see thousands of, should I say thousands? I say okay. Let me not say thousands, hundreds of mockups that is actually free that Canva have let us use for free. As you can see, guys, these are beautiful. These are actually amazing, 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 amazing. So you can just explore that. You can see there's a product design. There is different kind of mockups there here. This is amazing, and Canva is letting us use this thing for free without having to pay. Oh man, this is great. So how I will have to choose one so that we will just actually mock one up and see how it actually works. So I'm going to pick one. Let me just pick let me find one that will be awesome. So let's say I pick this, and I'll just have to let me expand this so that it will come up clear and bigger with its background. This have a beautiful background, by the way. So let's say I want to use this now. What I have to do is just to go back. This one works like a frame. So this one works like a frame. As this one now, it works like a frame. I have to click on the plus button and then go to my upload and upload what the image that I want to mock up the thing with. So let me just find one image. Okay, let's say this design that I did, this is a wedding invitation design. So I can actually insert it on the frame. So what you have to do is to just drag it, and then you know how the canvas frame works, and then insert it, and you will see that it's loading. As you can see, it is loading. Once it's okay, just like this. And you see, guys, this is actually beautiful. If you're doing a product design, if you're doing a different kind of designs, you can actually explore and see how the Canva free mockup app works. This is actually amazing. So once you are done, and you can mock up as different, once you just create different, I can decide to create different canvas by just clicking on this plus button. And then if I click on the plus button, I will create another canvas, and I can bring another mockup here. If I go up and click on my plus button, I can bring another mockup here, and then also mock it up. So you can actually do, maybe let's say you are working on a project, a full brand identity design project. You can actually pick different mockup from here and then mock it up for them. Let's say it's a product design. Let's say it's a bag. You're working for a bag brand. I'm just going to pick a bag, and then if I just pick this bag now, I'm just going to expand it. I just want us to see that there's no limit to what we can do with Canva. So if you want to expand this now, you can just expand it to your choice. By the way, you can actually remove the background if you want. You can actually remove the background if you want. But I think the background make it come out beautiful. So that there's no need for me to remove the background. I'm just going to expand this a little bit and then make it fit more. And then if when I'm done, I'm just going to once I'm done and it's my test, I'm just going to click on my plus button, go to my upload. And if you haven't uploaded anything, you can actually click on your upload and then explore and see what you can bring to the table. Let's say I'm just going to bring in, okay, let me use my logo. Like I'm going to bring my logo to the bag. I'm just going to click on it, and then all I have to do is just to drag it. Once I drag it, you'll see it's like it's now like it is transparent. So I have to just let it go, and it will start loading. Once it is loaded up, it will mock up itself. So this one is different from the Canva mockup uh, paid one. So that this one you can actually pay for it, and you can actually resize and do everything. As you can see, if it's the Canva mockup, I can actually do a resize here and try to do some resize, but this one didn't give us that leverage to do the resize, so there's no need for all that. All you have to do is the mockup, and then if the mockup gives you something good, and it's actually going to give you something good, you just have to take it like that. So tell me what you guys think on the comment section. Comments, like, and share. Subscribe to my channel. Turn on your bell notification so you'll be seeing other amazing videos when I drop new ones. All right, so once you are done with your design, you can actually click on the download button, and then you know how it works. Then download your designs, and it will appear in your menu. In your, let's say, menu, and it will appear in your gallery. That's just it. All right, so I'll be signing out now, and peace. See you in the next tutorial.